How unnecessary expenses and SIP investment are related. Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will share his thoughts on the common aspects that we overlook in SIP investment.
There are small unnecessary expenses or small leakages in our budget, which is actually reducing our wealth day by day. A small leak can sink a great ship, right? Similarly, if you could arrest those leakages and convert those leakages also into assets, what can happen? Now, these leakages are high, extremely high. These leakages are extremely high because of corporates which are planning to get more wallet share from you. Corporates are doing everything A to Z to make you and me spend knowingly or unknowingly. Those days, people, the moment they get their permanent job, they apply for home loan because they don't want to pay house rent. They want to skip house rent. Yes, agreed. Now you have got a new house. There is no housing rent. However, there are a lot of monthly expenses like rent you pay, like OTT subscription, Wi-Fi connection. Those things were not there from 20 years back. Now you have got many monthly commitments today, which are not your basic needs, but lifestyle expenses. We have increased it a lot. Corporates have thought a lot to get wallet share from you every month. This is something you have to understand. Say, Netflix officially tweeted saying sleep is my greatest enemy. That means Netflix has done enough to make their viewers watch when they are awake. Now, in order to increase their market share in their boardroom discussion, what do they discuss is how do I keep my viewers not sleep, awake and watch my shows. This is something which you have to understand. And another thing like which you have to see is like Coke. Sometime back, Coke has tweeted our real competition is water, tea, Nimbu Pani, and Pepsi. Coke didn't say Pepsi is my competition. It said water. That means instead of making you drink water, they want you to drink Coke. They were already successful in doing that. Now, knowingly or unknowingly, right? When you go to like any franchisee, any franchisee food shop or food malls, when you go, right, food street, when you order something, they'll give you a combo, right? You buy this food, along with that cola drink is free, right? So normally when you eat, you will have a glass of water and drink. Now it has been replaced unknowingly. You have not consciously decided. It has become a culture, right? That Coke price, Netflix price, everything is slowly eating your budget. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are doing it. One side, like 20 years back, people want to avoid paying rent to the house and they shifted to own house. Now, even after we have come to the own house, we are like a rented person, like someone who's on rent. We are paying huge monthly commitment. If there are a lot of unwanted these kind of monthly commitments which we are paying, how can we save out of it is what we are going to discuss here. Here is an interesting example which I could found in one of the earlier newspapers. Someone is smoking 15 packets a month. Cost of one pack is 300 rupees. So monthly cost of cigarette is 4,500. So annual cost is 54,000 and cigarette prices will increase at a 12% rate. Total cost of his smoking is 1.3 crores for 30 years. If the same money is invested in SIP, he is quitting smoking and investing that expenses into SIP. 4,500 rupees monthly SIP at 12% step up. At 8% growth rate, it will result into 2.89 crores. At 12%, it will become 5.05 crores. This is a very huge money. But these kind of small leakages, we are not seeing it. This is the power of SIP. Even a small expense, if you could save and convert that into SIP, over a period of time, it can become a huge wealth for you. If you could replace Coke 2.25 liters per week, right? That means, which is approximately 100 rupees. That means monthly 400 rupees, yearly 4,800, and for 30 years, it will become 23 lakhs. Netflix premium package is 650 rupees per month. So per annum, 7,800 rupees. The same amount is put in an SIP. It is becoming 46 lakhs. So these kind of small leakages can cover up a huge, like a goal in later year time frame. If you could replace, if you could go and revisit your budget and see what are all the unnecessary expenses and replace that with an SIP, then that can really help. Corporates are sitting on their boardroom and discussing on how to increase the wallet share, right? As an investor, don't fall prey for those kind of wallet share boardroom discussions and unknowingly start subscribing to Netflix and replacing water with Coke, those kind of things. Stop it. Consciously take a decision to increase your investment share.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances, then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.